Okay, so now let's explore our exit SIP. So here we have this function h of x, and it has these two parts. There's this red part that is apparently going down to hell for its sins, and there is this blue part which is going up to heaven for no reason specified. So, where do they act weird? Where do they go to heaven or hell? Well, let's check it out. -4? Nope, they just flatten out. Or, let's look at, 4? Nope. 1, 2, 3? Nope. We're getting no results. -1, sorta appealing, but not really. But -2? We see that they're like yearning to reach -2. Like they really want to reach -2. So their behavior starts becoming weird near there. Our exit SIP, and we want you to describe the behavior of h of x when x is near -2 in terms of limits.
Free Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.